In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Kirkland Signature, a well-known brand for treating hair loss. For those struggling with hair thinning or balding, this might be a familiar name. I'll walk you through the details of their hair regrowth treatment, which includes minoxidil as the main active ingredient. Minoxidil has been proven to help stimulate hair growth, but how effective is it in real life? I've been using Kirkland Signature's hair treatment for a few months now, and I'm ready to share my honest thoughts with you. The packaging is standard, and the instructions are clear, but the real question is, does it work? After several weeks of consistent use, I began noticing some results, but the progress was slow. Minoxidil, like any hair loss treatment, requires patience. It's not an overnight fix, and you need to commit to regular application. For some, this might feel like a hassle, but if you stick with it, there can be noticeable improvements in hair density and growth. The product is affordable compared to other brands offering similar solutions. However, the results can vary from person to person. While I had some success with Kirkland Signature, others might not experience the same outcomes. It's also worth noting that minoxidil only works for certain types of hair loss, so it's essential to consider whether this is the right treatment for your situation. The downside of the treatment is that it's a lifelong commitment. Once you start using minoxidil, you'll need to continue using it indefinitely to maintain results. If you stop, you could lose the progress you've made. The application can be a little inconvenient for some, and it requires consistency. It's not a magical fix, and results are often subtle and gradual. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Overall, Kirkland Signature is a decent option for those looking for a budget-friendly hair regrowth solution. The key is to be realistic about the time and effort it will take to see results. It's a tried and true product for many, but not everyone will have the same experience. If you're considering trying it, be prepared for a slow process, and remember that consistency is key. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews.